So hello friend, welcome back to my channel. This is Waqas and you're watching Waqastech. In this video I am going to show you how to fix iPhone 14, 14 Pro, 14 Pro Max camera vibrating issue on new iPhone. If you are also facing that issue, then keep watching full video. In few days ago I was also facing that issue. Even Apple fixed that issue in its new update. So if you are still facing that issue, in this video I am giving you some tips so you can easily fix that issue. So without wasting any time, let's start video. Firstly, move to the solution 1. Solution 1 is open your iPhone setting and check if you have any pending software update in your iPhone. To check that, tap on software update. Okay, as you can see, it's official iOS 16.0.2 update showing here in my iPhone right now. If you also see that update, just update your iPhone to the latest iOS update and fix that issue. Okay, if that method not working, then move to the next one. The next one is forced to restart your iPhone. If that method is also not working, then move to the next one. The next one is open your iPhone setting, tap on general, scroll down, tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Okay, as you can see, reset option, tap on that and reset all setting, and then done that. It will not erase your iPhone data, it's just reset your all network and other settings. So by doing that, you can easily fix the iPhone camera vibrating on iPhone 14, 14 Pro, 14 Pro Max. So friends, by doing these two simple steps, you can easily fix the issue if you don't have any hardware issue. Make sure you update your iPhone to the latest iOS update, and it's iOS update, not the beta developer iOS update, but it's official iOS update. Hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notification. Thanks for watching.